to Refund Pandabuy from warehouse. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to refund Pandabuy from the warehouse. So first of all you have to do is just go to the pandabuy.com and you will be landed to the official website of Pandabuy, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials, and once you're logged in into your account, just hover your cursor to your profile icon from the top right, and from there just go to the user center from the first link. Just simply tap on it, and after that from the user center just simply go to the order section from the list given below. Just simply tap on orders, and over here you will have the list of the order that you have bought from your Pandabuy account. So in order to get the refund for the product that you have returned after ordering it, you will be able to see the order here on this page for which you are looking for the refund. You just simply have to return your order in order to get the refund for that particular order. But if you're facing some problem in order to get your refund from the Pandabuy account, all you have to do is just click on the support section from the right hand side window. Just simply tap on this support section right here, and the chatbot will open up for you, and after that you can search the help here regarding the refund. Just simply tap on refund here, and if you don't find the solution in the FAQ section, you can simply click on message right here, and after that you can start a message with the Pandabuy, and you can talk to them about the refund problem that you are facing in your Pandabuy account, and the Pandabuy support team will reach out to you and help you regarding the refund that has been pending in your Pandabuy account. So this is basically how you will be able to refund Pandabuy from warehouse. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.